wallpaper. I love wallpaper. Wallpaper is beautiful. It's interesting. It's pretty. It's very hard to hang. I have wallpaper in my house that's been professionally installed by the real people. I watch him do it. I love him. His name is John. I love talking to John. I just don't want to do what he's doing. It's hard for me. But I also have a room that I wanted to, spruce it up. I wanted some pattern on the wall. I wanted some color. Things that paint really wasn't going to do. So, peel and stick removable wallpaper. For the win! No, seriously, I'm not even kidding. I've now used this in 2 different spaces. It's ridiculously easy to do. There's a little bit of a learning curve, but once you get it, you can get that stuff hung pretty quickly. There's going to be some crevices where maybe it's not perfect, but just like gloss over on that. Like, don't pay attention. But for the most part, I've been so happy with how my upstairs office looks with the wallpaper. The gray taupe is so cute. The little dandelion accents are so fun. And it just looks way more pulled together than paint would have done for it. So I love it. It's not something I've committed to for forever. I don't have to have somebody come take it off. I didn't have to have somebody come put it up. It's just easy. My favorite discovery is this grass cloth. I am obsessed with the grass cloth. I've had real grass cloth in my house, and this totally mimics the look of it. I'm not even kidding. From far away, like, you can't even tell, but you have the really nice wipeable feature of it. It is not going to get ruined with little hands, because for those of you who know, grass cloth really can't be touched or it'll get all messy. The other beautiful thing about removable peel and stick grass cloth is that real grass cloth when you line it up, the seams actually never meet. It's a natural fiber, a natural texture. So no 2 pieces of wallpaper are the same. So when you line it up, it's never ever gonna look perfect. That's what people buy grass cloth for, to look organic, to look full of texture, to look sort of pulled together yet natural. So if you buy the peel and stick grass cloth, guess what? It doesn't have to be perfectly pulled together. Bonus! I love it for the idea of putting it behind like a shelving unit, a piece of furniture, an accent wall, wherever you want to put something like this to totally add something to make it look special, look custom without breaking the bank, killing your back, or spending more money hiring somebody. John, the wallpaper guy, I love you. You're fun to hang out with. I just, I want more wallpaper, but I don't want to hang it, and I don't want to pay you to hang it. So that's all I'm saying.